Henry Clay Bates, January 29, 1843, March 12, 1909, was a Vermont lawyer and politician who served as the 41st Lieutenant Governor of Vermont and as a federal judge. Early life. Henry Clay Bates was born in Derby Line, Vermont on January 29, 1843. He was educated at Derby Academy, taught school in Vermont and Maine, and studied law in Derby and Charleston before enlisting for the Civil War. Military service. Bates served as a member of Company C, 4th Massachusetts Heavy Artillery. After the war, he was an active member of the Grand Army of the Republic. Early career. Bates resumed his legal studies after leaving the Army, attained admission to the bar in 1866, and practiced law in St. Johnsbury. A Republican, he served in numerous local offices, including Superintendent of Schools of Guildhall and Town Meeting Moderator of St. Johnsbury. Bates also served as Caledonia County State's Attorney from 1880 to 1882 and 1892 to 1894. From 1886 to 1890, Bates was a member of the Vermont Senate and served as Senate President. Bates served in the Vermont House of Representatives from 1896 to 1897. In 1898, he won election as Lieutenant Governor and served until 1900. He participated in numerous county and state Republican conventions and was a delegate to the 1900 Republican National Convention. Federal judge. In 1901, Bates was appointed one of the United States judges for the Philippines Territory. He served until his 1907 resignation, afterwards living in retirement in Berkeley, California. Death and burial. Bates died in Berkeley on March 12, 1909 after having been ill as the result of his service in the Philippines. He was buried at Smithland Cemetery, Little Sioux Township Cemetery, in Smithland, Iowa, where his wife's family resided. Family. In 1866, Bates married Laura E. Jennis of Morgan, Vermont. They were the parents of one son who lived to adulthood, attorney Jerry Dickerman Bates, 1869 to 1952, who was usually referred to as J. Dickerman Bates. References. External links. Henry C. Bates at Find a Grave.